Old tools carry history in their weight. They've shaped wood, built homes, repaired lives, and served generations before being set aside, rusted, and forgotten. In many workshops, garages, and scrapyards, these tools sit quietly, waiting not for disposal, but for rediscovery. What makes them special is not just their form, but the story embedded in every scratch, dent, and worn handle. When we look beyond their original function, old tools become raw material for functional art pieces that serve both beauty and purpose in modern living spaces. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a space where forgotten objects find new meaning and creativity turns the past into something beautifully relevant again. If you love sustainable design, functional art, and decor that tell a story, you're in the right place. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and join a growing community that believes creativity doesn't start with something new, it starts with seeing value in what already exists. Your support helps us continue transforming overlooked materials into inspiring, modern home decor. Reimagining old tools as decor begins with observation. Each tool has a natural shape, balance, and character that can guide its transformation. A wrench may become a sculptural hook, a clamp can turn into a lamp base, and a hammerhead can anchor a minimalist coat rack. Instead of forcing a design, the process respects the tool's original identity while giving it a new role. This approach creates decor that feels authentic, grounded, and intentional, qualities that modern homeowners increasingly value. Functional art is powerful because it lives at the intersection of usefulness and expression. In today's homes, people want more than decoration. They want pieces that contribute to daily life while reflecting personality and values. When an old tool becomes a shelf bracket, a table leg, or a wall-mounted organizer, it brings with it a tactile honesty that mass-produced items often lack. The presence of reclaimed materials adds depth to interiors, making spaces feel layered and meaningful rather than staged. Modern home decor thrives on contrast, and upcycled tools fit perfectly into this design language. The rough textures of aged metal paired beautifully with clean lines, neutral palettes, and natural wood. This balance between industrial grit and modern simplicity creates visual interest without overwhelming the space. Whether used in living rooms, kitchens, home offices, or entryways, these pieces act as conversation starter arts which invite curiosity and connection. Beyond aesthetics, transforming old tools into decor is a deeply sustainable practice. Every piece reused is one less item discarded, one less resource extracted, and one more example of responsible creativity. Sustainability is no longer a niche concept, it's a priority for many homeowners and designers. Decor made from reclaimed tools aligns perfectly with eco-conscious lifestyles, proving that sustainability and style can exist together effortlessly. There is also a growing appreciation for handcrafted and one-of-a-kind items. In a world filled with identical products, uniqueness has become a luxury. This uniqueness increases not only emotional value, but also market demand. Buyers are drawn to decor that cannot be replicated, decor that feels personal rather than manufactured. Turning old tools into high-demand functional art also opens doors to creative income. Many people underestimate the market for reclaimed decor, yet demand continues to grow across online platforms, local markets, and interior design spaces. Items that combine durability, storytelling, and visual appeal often command higher prices than conventional decor. The transformation process itself is just as important as the final result. Cleaning, restoring, and preparing old tools require patience and respect for the material. Rather than erasing signs of age, the goal is to stabilize and highlight them. Rust can be sealed, wood handles can be refinished, and metal surfaces can be preserved to maintain their character. This careful balance between restoration and authenticity is what gives reclaimed decor its soul. Design decisions play a crucial role in elevating these pieces for modern homes. Proportions, finishes, and placement must be considered thoughtfully. A tool-based decor piece should feel intentional, not cluttered or gimmicky. Simple forms, practical functions, and restrained compositions allow the material to speak for itself. When done well, the result feels timeless rather than trendy, capable of fitting into evolving interior styles. Lighting, in particular, offers exciting opportunities for tool-based functional art. Old mechanical components can be transformed into lamp structures that feel sculptural and bold. When paired with warm lighting, the industrial nature of the tools softens, creating ambience rather than harshness. These lighting pieces not only illuminate a room, but also anchor it visually, making them both practical and artistic centerpieces. Wall decor is another powerful application. Tool-inspired wall art combines structure and storytelling, turning vertical spaces into galleries of reclaimed history. Mounted tools arranged thoughtfully can create balance, rhythm, and texture on otherwise empty walls. When integrated into modern interiors, these installations blur the line between art and architecture. Furniture accents made from old tools add an extra layer of originality. Whether used as legs, handles, or structural details, tools bring strength and symbolism to furniture pieces. They suggest durability, craftsmanship, and resilience qualities that resonate deeply in home environments meant to feel safe and grounding. What makes this creative journey especially meaningful is its accessibility. You don't need expensive materials or advanced machinery to begin. Many tools can be sourced from forgotten corners, flea markets, or discarded collections. The real investment lies in imagination and intention. With thoughtful design and care, even the simplest object can become something remarkable. As more people seek homes that reflect their values, reclaimed functional art continues to rise in relevance. These pieces tell stories of renewal, resourcefulness, and respect for materials. They remind us that beauty doesn't have to come from excess, it can emerge from transformation. Old tools, once defined by labor, now serve as symbols of creativity and conscious living. This movement is not about nostalgia alone, it's about progress through reinterpretation. By giving old tools new life, we bridge past and present, tradition and modernity. Each piece becomes a reminder that innovation doesn't always mean starting over, sometimes it means looking closer at what we already have. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that every reclaimed object holds potential. What we choose to see as outdated or useless can become meaningful, functional, and beautiful when viewed through a creative lens. This is the heart of Reborn Relics, not just decor, but a mindset rooted in possibility. If this video inspired you, encouraged you, or sparked a new idea, subscribe to Kuki Decor and stay connected. Your subscription helps grow a community that values sustainability, craftsmanship, and creative purpose. Like the video, share it with someone who loves meaningful design, and let's continue turning forgotten materials into high-demand functional art together. Thank you for being part of the journey, and we'll see you in the next creation.